Okay, let's talk about that one number that has a huge, kind of quiet power over your financial life. Yeah, your credit score. It can feel like this big mystery, but it really doesn't have to be. So what we're going to do right now is break it all down so you can master it in just 3 simple, straightforward steps.
So let me just start by asking you this. Do you think a low credit score is actually costing you money? It sounds like a simple question, right? But the answer, well, it might just surprise you, and it has a very real impact on your wallet.
Because here's the reality. This isn't just some grade you get in school. A lower score means you're paying higher interest on pretty much everything. We're talking car loans, mortgages, you name it. And this isn't just a few bucks here and there. Over the life of a loan, it can literally add up to thousands of dollars. So the big takeaway here is that this number directly decides how much of your own money you get to keep.
So where do we even begin to take back control? Well, it all starts with step 1, and it's simple. Be consistent. This is the absolute bedrock, the foundation of a healthy credit score. Everything else we're going to talk about is built right on top of this. I want you to notice that phrase right there, single biggest factor. And trust me, that is not an exaggeration. Your payment history is just what it sounds like. It's your track record of paying your bills on time. More than anything, lenders want to see that you're reliable. This is the #1 thing they look for.
And that is exactly why consistency is king. See, it's not about paying off massive amounts of debt all at once. It's about paying on time. Just one payment that's 30 days late can knock a ton of points off your score, and get this, it can stay on your report for years. The easiest way to deal with this? Just set up automatic payments for at least the minimum amount due. Don't let one little slip-up cause a years-long headache.
All right, so once you've totally nailed those on-time payments, we can move on to the second pillar, the 30% rule. This one is all about how much of your available credit you're actually using at any given time.
Okay, I know, credit utilization ratio sounds super complicated and intimidating, but it's not. It's actually really simple. It's just the percentage of your available credit that you're currently using, and it's the second biggest factor in your score, right behind your payment history.
So what's the goal here? Well, think about it from a lender's point of view. When they see maxed out credit cards, they get a little nervous. It can look like you're in financial trouble. So the golden rule is to try and keep your balance below 30% of your total credit limit. And honestly, lower is always better. The folks with the top tier scores, they often keep it under 10%. But aiming for under 30% is a fantastic place to start.
Let's make this super clear. Let's say your total credit limit on all your cards is $10,000. That 30% rule means you want to keep your total balance under $3,000. In this example, you see a balance of $2,500, which is a totally healthy 25%. A lender looks at that and thinks, okay, this person knows how to use credit responsibly. It's a tool for them, not a crutch.
Okay, we're on to our final step. And this one is all about your mindset. It's time to check your score. And to do that, we have got to bust a huge myth that stops so many people from even looking. I hear this all the time, the idea that checking your own credit score actually hurts it. Let's just put that to rest right now. The fact is, when you check your own score, say through your banking app, it's called a soft inquiry. It has absolutely zero impact. A hard inquiry, that's the one that can ding your score, only happens when a lender pulls your report because you're actually applying for a new loan or credit.
I love this quote because it just changes how you think about all this. Your score is a tool, not a test. Think about it like the dashboard in your car. It's not there to judge you. It's just giving you information you need. Checking it regularly means you can track your progress, spot any mistakes, and really see how your good financial habits are paying off.
So when you put these 3 steps together, you realize the power is truly back in your hands. Your credit score stops being this scary, mysterious number, and you see it for what it is, a direct reflection of your habits.
So let's just recap that action plan one last time. Number 1, pay on time every single time. Number 2, keep those credit balances low, way under that 30% rule. And number 3, check your score often and without fear. Remember, it is not a test. It is a tool. Use it.
So what we've just gone over is your quick start guide. If you're feeling ready to dive even deeper and find more ways to boost that score, we've linked the full guide from our source material. It's all designed to help you stop overpaying interest and start keeping more of your money.
And we'll leave you with this last thought. Your credit score doesn't have to be something that just happens to you. It's a reflection of your actions. So the real question is, now that you have the playbook, how are you going to define it? Thanks for listening.